Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this slide. You see it's looking great. Let's try to create it. At first we need to insert our new slide. In our new slide we need to insert this text. This is just a simple text I created by using Overdrive Sunset as a font and bold it, and then here I use this thing for the layer. Then we need to create the shapes. For the shapes we are going to create a rectangle here, increase it in size a bit more, then rotate it. Okay, one here and another one here. It's good. Rotate it a little more. Now color it this color and also color it. I go with this blue. It's good. Now we copy this slide and here just paste the text. But before that, let me just delete the past text and paste the text. Then just simply increase their size. But don't forget to increase the red size more. You will soon understand why. Now set the transition to morph and increase the time to 3 seconds. Now your slide is ready. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.